Today I will tell you something about rainfall over urban area. Nowadays there are rapid development in urban area. This has resulted into increase in water requirement. This rapid development has increased demand for groundwater also. This increase in demand is so heavy that groundwaters are dropping rapidly. Hence, we need to take measure to conserve rainwater. We can use rainwater for non-potable purpose such as flushing, gardening, or for recharge of well and borewell. Rainfall over open spaces within the compound wall, we can use it for recharge of subsoil and or aquifer, well, borewell. Rainfall over other open spaces can be used for storing in ponds at suitable location so that it can be used after monsoon, or it helps in recharge of subsoil and aquifer. Storing water in pond will arrest local level flooding.